Today's episode of the Apocalypse Cooking Channel. I know this doesn't look like a lot, but we're making pad thai. Don't yell at me, it's not authentic. And I know this is spaghetti. I don't have any rice noodles or glass noodles or whatever the actual name is for the flat, delicious noodles you get at your favorite Thai spot, but this will work. I've done this before. The restaurant that I used to work at, still work at? Anyways, coronavirus, I don't have a job. We've done this for family meal, it's super good, so just bear with me. And now for some mise en place. How about that for some Food Network magic? Some veggies that we have. Whatever you have works. I have carrots, green beans, corn, an onion, and a little cilantro. We'll get to the amounts of what all this is. Let's start with making the sauce. I'm going to do this with an immersion blender. If you don't have an immersion blender, you can use a blender like this. I like to do an immersion blender and not in here because you lose a lot on the bottom. It's pretty hard to get out, but it'll work just fine. You need half a cup or 132 grams of stock or water, 2 teaspoons or 21 grams of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon or 30 grams of rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon or 15 grams of brown sugar, 74 grams of soy sauce or 4 tablespoons, 135 grams or half a cup of peanut butter. Get. 2 teaspoons of sriracha. You can do more or less depending on your heat level. I live with someone who is capsaicin challenged, so we're not going to do a whole lot. Capsaicin, word of the day. It's the chemical that makes peppers spicy. And finally, we're going to do the juice of 1 lime. It's easier to juice if you roll it out first. Dribbled. And then you go blend that bad boy. Always taste your food, just for the heat level that you have there. Taste it like you love the people you're cooking for. It's good. Food growing up wasn't good, it's because your mother didn't love you. I almost forgot something again. Oh. We still drinking beer in here. Blue Owl Brewing, pretty good local brew. Whatever vegetables you do for this, you want to cut them pretty small so they cook pretty quick, because that's how this whole thing works. We're gonna cut these vegetables up real quick. Quick pro tip when it comes to corn. Cut the ends off, peel it. When you cut it, it helps to have something to catch it and something to elevate it. Just like potatoes, helps to peel your carrots over something so you can clean it up easier. Like a relatively high heat. And I forgot to tell you need oil, but you need oil. I'm sorry. For the oil, you want to bring it to what's known as smoke point. You'll see a little wisp of smoke. Not billowing, a wisp. Wisp. And yeah, I already cooked these noodles. Not that hard. You boil water, you put the noodles in, and you have cooked noodles. Smoke point. See it? Smoke, wisp of smoke. Put it in your onions. Key here, you want to cook everything really fast and really hot. Carrot. Once your carrots start to soften, put in your corn and your green beans. Give it a good stir and cover it for about a minute. And don't forget to drink a little beer. Uncover it. Add a gentle helping of your noodles. Generous pour of your sauce. Kill your heat. Get that sauce all coaty on there. Trying to reduce it a little bit. Warm hug around the noodles. Put those nudes in a bowl. Make sure you get some of those veggies in there. Pick some cilantro over it. Squeeze a fresh lime. And there you have it. Pad Thai that's not really authentic at all, and I use spaghetti. But it's really good. If you have chicken or shrimp or beef, the better. Just saute that first before your vegetables. Little crushed peanuts on there if you want. This sauce goes good on other stuff too. But seriously, if you have spaghetti, try it. Like, you're gonna be like, oh my god, I didn't use rice noodles. Yeah, well. Thanks for watching the Apocalypse Cooking Channel.